Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is New Year's Eve and I am going out tonight, so I decided what's a better time to go ahead and make a video. So in this video I achieved the look that I'm wearing right now. I am wearing a green dress tonight, so that's the reason why I knew I had to have some green in my eyes. And my hair will be a second part video, which I will be linking down below as well. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this brush and I'm going to grab space green and then that brown tone together to create a dark, almost black, smoky look. I'm going to dip that right in here. And dip it right in here. So they can join over here. Now I am bringing blending brush, grabbing Trimmed and Mean Green, which is this one. They're both green tones, but one of them is lighter than the other. And then I'm just gonna bring these right in together like this. So with that, I'm gonna grab the Urban Decay Heat in the color Scorched, which is this one here. So with that, it's not gonna be a lot, so I don't want to make a huge mess, but I'm gonna outline the top. Okay, something like that. Later we'll blend them in, so it's okay if it looks like super clean right now. And then we are going to grab the Tarte Shape Tape to do cut crease. Okay, concealer brush. Wow, the green really came through in there. It's okay because we are going to be using green anyways. Okay, so I have a new palette. Where did it go? Oh, here. This Too Faced palette. We have Lost Boys. Okay, we have these three colors that I really want to use right now. I'm just gonna grab the green tone. Just Lost Boys. And apply it directly on my lid. Then I'm gonna grab a different brush and do Glitter Donut from the beginning. I'm gonna grab a clean blending brush. And I'm gonna grab Ember, which is this dark bronzy tone, and I'm gonna blend that red in together with the green. And I want more green, so I am gonna grab the green and apply it again so it could be really standing out. So with those same green tones, I will apply those down here in the middle. That's only in the middle because after you're done with the whole look, you're gonna add the darker tone here to bring it together with that one. So I will do the other eye and come right back with you guys. Okay guys, so now that both eyes are done, I will go ahead and apply my falsies. I am using the duo glue, which to me it's the best. I've tried others. I was using one from Tarte previously, and it would always make a big mess. So I like this one that the glue is like invisible. So I've already been waiting for about 10-15 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. You want to push them in and make sure that they are in the right place. And as close to the lash as possible so that they look real. I mean, not real, but you know, more natural. Now we're going to do the rest of our face. Now we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and we're going to do the usual. Then I'm going to do a little bit here, a little bit here. That's going to be the first one that goes off because I like it not to be too much. Done setting all the good stuff in your face, we are going to continue with the Hoola and the Becca. You all know those have been my favorites lately. So I am going to grab Hoola with this little brush and contour my nose. Make it look nice and long. And chiseled. Okay. So I'm also gonna grab this little brush and do some of this. And lastly, we're gonna do line. That's not lastly, but you know, we're gonna apply the blush. I don't like to highlight my cheeks. I really don't. But I will do my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. So I will do the highlighting on my nose with a mix of a bronze and a peach. Okay. Then I also like to do Cupid's bow. It's literally just like outlining your lips. Now I will just apply some of the Becky G ColourPop in the color Mija. Super in love with it. I really like how it stays on forever. Perfect, because I'm having such heavy eyes. It's good to go light on the lips. And this is the finished look. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So that is all for this look, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will be linking my Instagram account down below so you guys can follow me through there as well. And I will also be linking the second part to this video, which is how I did this hair. I think that is all for today. Have a happy new year. Be safe. I don't know if I'll be able to upload this today or tomorrow, but definitely someday this week. So I'll see you guys next time.